Okay, this is invention. First of all, you need a lab, you need your cores, and you need your interfaces. Your interfaces are expensive as, but we've got a nice stock here, thanks to our trader Hellmaiden, and we have our cores here. Okay, now you need plenty of cores because these are used, whereas these can be used as many times as you like at as many simultaneous jobs without any problem. Okay, find your blueprint copy. You need to have run off copies. Make them as big as you can. Put as many runs on them as you can. It ends up affecting the overall amount of runs on the blueprint we're making, the Tech 2 blueprint. Today we're going to do a hobgoblin. So we'll find hobgoblin, we'll right click on it and we'll go invention. We're going to choose this lab. This is Nexus's lab. So we're going to choose Nexus lab. We already got one running. You can queue up on top of it if they're all used and queue one to go after this, or we can just use this free slot here. Okay, now we won't be using any base items. Base items would in this case be a drone, a hobgoblin, or a Tech 2 hobgoblin drone. It'll affect the percentage, but unless you're making big things, usually isn't worth the bother. Same with the decryptors. They cost so much, but they'll add copies to they'll add production runs to the blueprint. And at the price that they usually cost, it's only worth doing for large ships. And we've got this. This is selecting what we're making. We can only make a Hobgoblin 2 out of this blueprint at the moment, so that's what we're making. Okay, we press OK, and we will get a quote. The quote tells us what skills, cores, and other pieces are needed for this job. In this case, we need a mechanical engineering core, an electronic engineering core, incognito data interface, a hobgoblin blueprint, the Galenti encryption method skill, the mechanical engineering skill, and the electronic engineering skill. The ones with a damage 100% means they're destroyed in the creation of the blueprint. The ones with 0 means they're not used at all. Okay, we'll accept the quote. It'll go for an hour, and we will have a 45% chance of creating this blueprint. Come back when it's done and go into here. Search for all corporation jobs since you've done it in a lab, and you'll see it listed here. When it's ready, it will tell you, and you can press a button which will replace the cancel job button that says delivery, and it will be returned into this hangar if it's completed. Okay, that's about it.